when you want to clean your jewelry at home, best way is not using these brushes, not using toothbrushes or anything like that, because you might end up scratching the gold or loosening the diamonds and etc., or breaking up the prongs on it. So if you're at home, the most simplest and best thing I would say is just like we have this ultrasonic here. It's hot, it's boiling. You want to boil the water. Once it's boiling, shut off the fire. Throw that piece of jewelry inside. You don't want it to boil. Leave it there for like a minute or so. Pick it up, wash it off, and then you could just put it. It'll break down a lot of dirt on it. So that's the easiest and simplest way. Again, you could always stop by here a couple of days, a day or two before you know you're going to a party or something. You could always come back here. This does the best thing. Usually after cleaning it with this, we have to steam. But you don't have that. You also have these cleaning kits that you can order online. We also provide you with these special kits. Now you might ask, there is a brush here too. Yes, there is, but this brush is very soft and it's very fragile. The brushes, it's very soft. It's not like a toothbrush. With this, you're allowed to. You could slightly clean it. All this is here is a special soap that we use in here. As you can see, it's a red color as well, right? So you have this little one at home. To do it, you could put it. There are instructions in there. It's the very next best thing that you could do to clean your jewelry at home.